at 12:30.
Welcome back. We are only 2 days away from the official start of summer. Many of you will be outside at the lake, at the pool, maybe even doing yard work. It's so important to stay hydrated here in Arkansas. Dr. Samantha Stewart is here from the Arkansas Heart Hospital with how to make your own electrolyte drink. This is a great idea to keep a lot of the sugar out, especially when you're giving them to kiddos.
Absolutely.
Thanks for joining us.
Of course. Thanks for having me. You know, you mentioned with the temperatures rising, it's so important to stay hydrated because it is when we're having too much fun in the sun, that's when we're at greatest risk for becoming dehydrated.
Absolutely.
And dehydration happens when we're losing more fluids than we're taking in. So, of course, prevention is the first and best step to take with drinking enough water throughout the day. But when it comes to your noticing signs and symptoms of mild dehydration, this is when you want to start giving fluids back. But some of those signs and symptoms, you know, with kids and older adults, we really want to keep an eye out for these signs and symptoms so that way we can start giving them some sort of electrolyte drink. But you're looking for sunken eyes, fussiness in the little ones, confusion in older adults, a fast, rapid heartbeat, rapid breathing. But there's a lot of things to keep an eye out for. But when you do start to notice them, that's when you can start giving them something to drink. So that's what we have here.
What are we making today?
So we're making a kind of DIY lower sugar sort of beverage. So we're using 1 cup of orange juice with ½ a cup of lemon juice, 4 cups of water, and then you can use either honey or I have maple syrup today.
And a lot of people already have all of these ingredients at their house.
Absolutely. That's the best part about it, is you don't really have to go out to the store. And that's when you don't want to be running to the store, is when someone's showing signs of dehydration.
Okay, and your last ingredient you just added.
That was salt.
Okay.
So that's the electrolytes that we need.
And this is something the kids will love, and you're really staying away from those sugary drinks, which is what they want to drink. But boy, it's not good when they've been out in the sun all day.
No, it is not. That is not the time to be giving them sodas or anything like that. And the great thing about this one is you can turn it into a popsicle. So take it with you if you're going to the water park or going out to the lake.
Great idea.
Yes.
That's a good life hack. Okay, and another one here.
This one is an oral rehydration solution by the World Health Organization. So it's best to be given to anyone of all ages and even infants. So it's very simple, just 1 liter of water, 6 level teaspoons of sugar, and then ½ a level teaspoon of salt. Mix it together. And that's it. So.
And you say this is good for babies, even infants.
Even infants can have it, yes.
Pretty amazing. We're going to post both of these recipes on our website. You said your son loved this one.
Yes,
you made.
he did. He drank it right up.
Kid approved, adult approved. Those recipes will be on KARK.com. Thank you for joining us today.
Thanks for having me.
From the Arkansas Heart Hospital, we're back with a dial. We have a lot of money to give away after this.